Hello guys and welcome back to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I'll show you how to stop people from joining you in Roblox by adjusting your privacy settings. If random players keep joining your games, this method will help you stay private. First, open Roblox and go to Settings. Click the gear icon in the top right corner and select Settings. Next, go to the Privacy tab. Scroll down until you see the option Privacy and Content Maturity. Now change the setting. Click the visibility and select No One if you want complete privacy. If you only want friends to join, choose Friends instead. For extra privacy, change the Who Can Follow Me into Game settings and set it to No One to prevent others from following you. Finally, test the settings. Join a game and ask a friend to check if they can join you. If they can't, your settings are working. And that's it. You've successfully stopped people from joining you in Roblox. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more gaming tips. See you in the next one. Bye!